Hello friends, good morning. Today we'll see TikTok rating, how they will be increased. Its a main reason is TikTok rating why they are down. So YouTube versus TikTok we can see some videos are there more spreaded in YouTube, so they are seeing okay. YouTube China some plan and TikTok also rating that done down YouTube rating. So there are no government so like this they are doing. So that's why the YouTube main reason is more contacts are there and more privacy also is there. They are securing government YouTube company also. So TikTok no security, nothing. And not only that, any some waste fake videos also, example like this fake videos also they are growing, no contact, no details, nothing. So like that they are done. In world first should be TikTok, so that's why they are done like this. So our government also is known. Next what they done, YouTube, all the big channels persons, they done TikTok versus YouTube versus TikTok rating how to do down. So like these videos are they done, the full world they're spreaded. Now TikTok rating is doing down. This is the one reason. And second reason, COVID-19 corona, we can say it's a China's, okay. China has started, so there more thing they are hidden and full world they are spreaded. So that is the main reason. And TikTok also same thing they are doing, and these reasons also has been known full world. So that's why this is second reason also they are done down TikTok. And TikTok Play Store they will be not removed. What is the reason? TikTok rating 1.0, 1.3 now present. Next we will come 1.0. In some another now how will we purchase some views in YouTube, some subscribers like this etc will purchase all the things and paid apps also like this. So TikTok and apps rating also we can purchase, example 5.0, 5 rating, 5 star, 4 star, 4.3 star. So like this we can purchase. And government and not only that, Play Store persons they will be sent one message, your rating is 1.0, 1 month I'll give time, you want to grow the rating, otherwise we'll remove the your app. So like this they will be sent. So there are no, now they are doing purchasing rating. Next we'll see next week what happens. I will be adding some another videos, TikToks versus YouTube. TikToks, what is the main problem TikTok, and what they are hiding, what they are doing also I'll be sending you. Thank you.